Hey there, my name's Gael and I'm a sales engineer here at QBuild Software. I lead our IFS practice. Before we dive into today's demo, we're thrilled to introduce you to QBuild. We're the industry leader in integrating engineering software with ERP systems, delivering customer-centric solutions to over 2,000 discrete manufacturers around the world. We're partnered with more than 50 engineering and ERP systems, and with offices across the globe, we're able to support clients across time zones and in their preferred language. Our comprehensive solution suite, QSuite, includes powerful tools like CAD-Link, PLMSync, ECX Manager, BOM, Nestlink, and more. Together, they empower our customers with streamlined processes, significant cost savings, and increased efficiency and accuracy at every stage. Today, we're going to focus on PLMSync, our integration solution that connects your PLM systems to IFS. But first, let's take a quick look at why the integration matters. Manual data entry between PLM and ERP can be incredibly time-consuming. It often leads to errors, inconsistencies, downstream confusion, scrap parts, and ultimately increased costs. On the other hand, PLMSync allows you to synchronize your bill of materials with just the click of a button. That means fewer errors, faster time to production, and more time for engineers to do what they do best: engineering and design, not clerical work. With that said, let's jump into the demo. What you're looking at here is my Windchill environment. Let's say I've just finished making some changes to this assembly, and I need to push those updates over to IFS. To do that, I simply navigate to the PLMSync local application and launch PLMSync. PLMSync gives me the option to either target an engineering bill of material or an inventory bill of material within IFS. For today, we'll go with the engineering bill of material. I can now search for any assembly or part within my Windchill. I'll select this golf cart leg assembly. With one click, PLMSync initiates a real-time data comparison between the current assembly in my Windchill system and the existing data in IFS. Now, this isn't just a background process or a one-way data dump. PLMSync performs a live comparison and presents the results to you in this color-coded grid. This gives you visibility, clarity, and control. On the left-hand side, you'll notice that PLMSync mirrors the assembly structure exactly as it appears in Windchill. You can see the parts, the changes, and decide what gets pushed to IFS, empowering you to make informed decisions before anything is finalized. Let's go through what the colors represent. The white rows are fully synced items. These items already exist in both systems, and their data is perfectly aligned. No action is needed. The yellow highlights are field level discrepancies. These indicate differences at a field level, like mismatched description or quantities. Let's say I right-click on a yellow description cell. You'll see that the text in Windchill differs from what I have in IFS. This could be due to human error or outdated data. Either way, you get to choose which value to keep. You can use the IFS value or select the Windchill value. You can also enter a custom value, like demo description in this case. Now, once you save it, it updates in both systems. That's the power of bidirectional syncing. Green rows are brand new parts. These represent components just designed or added to your Windchill PLM that don't yet exist in IFS. When you hit save, PLMSync creates the item record, adds it to the bill of material, and applies default values for fields like unit of measure or provide code. You can also override using the drop-downs pulled directly from your IFS system. In this case, maybe I'll make this a buy item or phantom item. Gray rows are obsolete components. These are parts that were removed from the Windchill assembly but still exist in IFS bill of material. PLMSync will remove them from the bill of material during the update, but don't worry, it won't delete the item records themselves. That way they stay available for other assemblies or existing transactions. Red fields are errors. PLMSync has a validation system to ensure we provide all the necessary details to IFS when we create new parts. If information is missing, PLMSync will highlight the field in red and disable the Save button. By navigating to the Message tab, PLMSync will give us more details on the error. In this case, we require a revision. Let's go ahead and add that. Once done, you'll notice the Save button is now enabled. This feature gives you a peace of mind that we're creating accurate information into IFS. Now that we've reviewed our bill of material and are happy with it, let's push this to IFS. Before doing it, we'll quickly take a look at our IFS Engineering bill of material. You'll notice that we have a few parts that did already exist in IFS. Now let's go back into PLMSync and save this bill of material. Here's what's happening. Yellow discrepancies get updated, green items are created and inserted into the bill of material, gray components are removed from the bill of material, all with a single click. Now going back into IFS, you'll notice a lot more items have been added. Now if we expand this, we'll see all the different components that it's created and updated. No jumping between systems, no copy pasting rows, just accurate data across your engineering and IFS environments from the very first try. So that's a quick look at how PLMSync streamlines your workflows, reduces risk, and increases productivity. If you're ready to take your workflow to the next level, schedule a personalized demo with us at QBuild. Just click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.